On this short quick video guys, I'm gonna show you how to fix snapshot camera. First thing, open the settings, go to the apps manager. When you open the apps manager, it will take you into this page. Right here you have to search for Snapchat and click on it, and now click on this force stop and then go to the permissions page, enable all the permissions and then go back, click on the data usage, make sure that all those options are enabled, go back again, and last thing you want to do here, click on the storage, click on clear data and click on delete. Now all what you want to do is go back into the settings of your phone, go to the wireless and networks, and then go to the airplane mode, enable it for 5 seconds and disable it again. Very easy and simple as you can see. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this tutorial until the very end. See you later.